How to deploy a managed MySQL server on Utho Cloud. Navigate to Utho Cloud's website and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. First, log into Utho Cloud dashboard, which provides an overview of your resources and services. Navigate to the database services. In the dashboard, locate database section, initiate MySQL deployment. Click on the Deploy New button. Click on Database. Select DC location. Then scroll down and choose the desired MySQL version that suits your application's requirements. Select an appropriate instance size based on your anticipated workload. Select plan type and scroll down and fill set replica for your database, and then select network type and scroll D1. Select the virtual private cloud VPC. Decide if the database should be accessible over the public internet or restricted to private networks. And scroll down and fill cluster name. And click Deploy Now. Wait for a few seconds. Configuring networking settings. Select the VPC, Virtual Private Cloud, you want your MySQL instance to be in. Make sure the port for MySQL default 3306 is open on your firewall rules. Review and create. Preview all the configurations you've made. Click Create to deploy your Managed MySQL instance. Utho Cloud will now create the database for you. This may take a few minutes. Connect to the database. Once the database is deployed, you will need the connection details, which you can find in the Utho Cloud console. Go to Database Overview to find the host and port of the MySQL instance. Use a MySQL client like MySQL Workbench or command line to connect to the database using the provided root credentials. Example command to connect via command line. Create your database and tables. Once connected, you can create a new database and tables using SQL commands. Integrate with your application. Now that your MySQL instance is set up, integrate it into your application by updating your database connection strings in your codebase. Example in Python using MySQL connector. Monitoring and maintenance. Use Utho Cloud's monitoring tools to keep track of performance metrics such as CPU, memory, and database queries. Regularly back up your database using Utho Cloud's automated backup features to avoid data loss. Conclusion: congratulations! You have now successfully deployed a managed MySQL instance on Utho Cloud, set up your database, and integrated it into your application. Thanks for watching.